Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Chase back with another video today. So I'm gonna do some Fortnite. I'm gonna do some solos, not squads. Hold on, full screen. So it's all good, you know? And I'm a level 20 now. I was like level 2 last time I played. But I've been playing on a lot of Xbox games and stuff like Call of Duty. I'm getting back into that. Inch by inch, and I'm trying to do like Fortnite for 2-3 hours, and then I do Black Ops 2 for the rest of my time, which is like 2 hours usually. And I haven't played Fortnite since 2:04, so 3 hours. And look what time it is. It's 5:05 a.m. I woke up at 2:04. Oh, I'm still really tired, and I couldn't fall back to sleep. I don't even know how I woke up. Why does that keep happening, guys? I need to do that. Is that the point of that? But you guys don't know about my desk. It's too high, so no webcam anymore. Unless I get a higher seat. I'm a no skin. Let's go, boy. No skin for life. No skin for freaking life. Let's go. Where should we go? It's not too popular, not bad. Let's go. Ooh. Pleasant. It's not too bad there. Not usually bad, at least. When I go, it's not bad. You guys have had a really good game, tell me. And so maybe you can hear the audio a little bit. I have my headset volume all the way up, as loud as I can get it, so you guys can hear it through my mic, which is on my headset. You guys know that. Like, I have the wet paint, and I got my first win. About a month ago, I got it. I just haven't recorded in a while, and I want to get back into the habit of making YouTube videos. And getting good, maybe do some COD vids and stuff. Where do I land? Is there a chest here? No, I'm screwed. I'm literally screwed. No skins for life. I'm running. I got a weapon. I got a weapon, at least. I'm not gonna go for it. This gun sucks. I'm gonna one-shot him if I can. Oh, GG, bro. I knew I was gonna die. I got the worst gun in the game. Even if I would have had a shotgun, I think I would have lost that gunfight. Still. But that gun sucks, so revolver sucks. Let's not land pleasant next time. Now I learned it. Not to land it pleasant. Yeah, I gotta do something with my mouse. Got it. There we go. Now I'm tier 15. I'm almost tier 18. And I get 100 V-Bucks. This is my favorite dance in the game so far. Not my actual favorite. I'll show you my real favorite. Everyone is still asleep except for me. Remember, I can still only record for 15 minutes with screencast. I don't want to download OBS on my computer again. It took forever, and OBS keeps me always bad quality. Well, I already have bad quality, but you know what I mean. Worse. What about... Let's go Haunted. Haunted has a ton of chests. Do you guys know? If you ever land there, Laser one. I'm gonna. I have an idea to try to get that out of me. I can keep my cursor on it like that. I think I can get better aiming pretty quick. We're going haunted house. I'm gonna put. Oh god, why did you do that? Why did I do that? I keep always doing that. It's annoying. A couple people go to haunted, but not too many. It's a lot to the point where you can get 3 easy kills if you go here. If you're decent at the game, like I am. I'm okay. I'm not the best. Like other people look. I don't see anyone. Oh, I see a carbide. Glider. Not being dumb. I really hope there's a chest in this building. There always is. Yeah. Thank God. Did I just see him? There's a chest below me. I know exactly where it is. I thought I just saw him, guys. I'm gonna go charge this guy before he gets better loot and destroys me. Probably gonna destroy him. He's in there. Oh, he's in there. That's how you know he's an Omega. He's a freaking Omega! Get in the high ground. No skin kills Omega? Oh, nah. I didn't stand a chance. How did I not hit him once? I shot him like 9 times and it didn't do any damage. Thank you. You knew I was watching. It's kind of cute. I hate like it when people do that, but it's cute. That was really cute. Can't wait till I make myself cereal. Starving, but I'm gonna finish this video. I might live stream later on Slow Streamlabs, which doesn't take forever. And I could set all that up. Maybe do some Twitch. I'll leave my Twitch in the description. And if you guys can, go follow. You don't have to subscribe, just follow. And I'm gonna try to grow my Twitch and my YouTube at the same time. So I'm gonna do a YouTube video a day and a Twitch stream a day. So I'm gonna do 2 videos today and 1 Twitch stream later at around, I want to say 4 o'clock. I've never been at Tilted Towers, cause I don't know, cause I'm bad at, I need to turn my mouse sensitivity way down. I'll turn my DPI down as well. How do I turn it down? Sensitivity. I think I might have to put it up a little bit, but we'll say, yeah. Let me put my DPI up. Oh, that's perfect. That's kind of perfect. And we're landing at Tilted, right? Yeah. So I'm pressing. Lane's somewhere popular to get practice getting in gunfights and all that stuff and try to get better at the game. Trust me. I've been getting better at the game every time I go Tilted. I'm still trash, though. Look, he doesn't even have a win, that guy. Oh my god, I see so many no skin win, no win. No pain, no gain. Let's go, boy. I hate that gun. I think everyone does. People missed guns. Where'd he go? I have to turn my DPI all the way up to actually. I'm scared as pickles. I saw a guy. And all of a sudden. Oh, thanks. So many. There's so many with shotguns. Oh, see? See? There was so many with shotguns. I need to get good at this game. I suck at this game. Everyone gets shotguns except me. Every time I try to get a shotgun, I never get one. I mean, I don't try to get one, I don't get one. It's just annoying. I need to turn my sensitivity up. That's what really killed me last game. I'm not joking. I was going too slow. Should I connect my Xbox controller to this next video when I do my Twitch stream? Or I might just go on Xbox and all, and I can still Twitch. I'll do it later. We have time for one more game and then I gotta go. Because the video I can only record for 15 minutes. It's been 11 minutes already. I'm surprised. Feels like it's been 2. Pretty sure it's been 2 minutes. So it's better. Okay, let's try tilted again, yeah. Or do you want to go? Let's go here. I'm zooming in. Getting this gun. It's AR. How much fun. Let's put that trap down somewhere. As a troll. Shut that. Take the bouncers. Go here. Where's the trap? Take it. Where's that chest? It's down there. Where's a good spot to put it? That's a good idea. I forgot how you did this. I won't use it. I'm not gonna put it down yet. If I get in close range with someone with a shot. I saw an Omega. I hate Omegas. Being an Omega is kind of fun. Trust me, I know. On my old account. Zone luck, zone luck. Uh-oh. Should I use it? Stealth. I think it's too stealth. What? Freaking hacker, guys. I gotta go. Video's almost over. Bye.